Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a chat group on Instagram. We will start by opening the Instagram app and entering our profile. Then we will click on the messages icon. After them, click on the icon to create a new message. Now we are going to select the users who will be members of the group and then click on Chat. We are going to send the first message and we see our group created. Also, at this point, we will see the top option of assign a name to this group. We are going to write the name of the group and click on the Accept key on the keyboard to apply the changes. After this, we will see the changes made and we will be able to find the group created in the list of conversations. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.